Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy guide to design a quiz content using Canva. So here I've already on the Canva apps and I'm going to just start by clicking on a search column, and to easily create a quiz content you can just use a template from Canva. So let's try to type in keyword quiz, click on enter. Then here Canva will show you with some of the templates that you can use. So you can use this quiz content to upload to your social media. For example, I'm going to create one from my Instagram post. So I'm going to click on this, click on customize this template. So the template will be open, and here you can use this template as it is, or you can also modify it. For example, you want to modify the color, or even you can modify the questions itself. So when you're done, you can just click on the arrow at the top and download this quiz and then upload it to your social media. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.